How to recover a deleted campaign ads on Facebook Ad Manager. The first things first is you'll have to access or open up your Facebook Ads Manager on any browser that you want to use. And again, once you're here, all you have to do is to fully access the search filters from the Campaigns Manager. Now, this is gonna be the Campaigns Search Filters dashboard, and all you have to do from here is to go by search by name. And here, just simply click on the search box. And in here, all I have to do is to choose on delivery. So the first thing that you'll have to filter out is the campaign delivery. If from here, just select the value to deleted and then click on apply. Now you have to do this 3 times on a different options. The next thing that you'll search is go back to delivery, and this time you'll choose add set delivery and select the value to deleted and apply. And for the last time, go back to delivery and then this time choose on add delivery, and same goes with value, just change it to deleted and click on apply. Now once you have fully searched of all those filters, all the deleted campaigns that you did will go around these results right here. Now take note that you can no longer recover those deleted campaigns, but the best option you can do is to duplicate the deleted campaign. So that's it. So that's how you recover a deleted campaign on Facebook Ads Manager.